Okay guys, so in this video we're going to get into string comparisons, and it's cool to compare integers and stuff, but I think comparing strings is a lot better. So what we're going to do is I've completely started over. So what we're going to have is we're going to have a simple application that asks what you want to do, and it's pretty much going to perform the task based on that. So pretty much we're going to have a couple console.write lines here. We're going to do hello, what would you like to do? And then I'm going to add another one. And we're going to have a list of all the commands we can do. And what I'm going to do to save time so I don't have to keep writing console.write line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the escape character for a new line. I'm not sure if I've covered this already, but pretty much what this does is it adds a return. So if we have food and then drink, it will do food on one line and drink on another, because this is pretty much the same as hitting enter, basically. That's the easiest way to think of it. So we're going to have drink. We're going to have, actually, drink water. Ooh, drink water. We're going to have eat food. And we're going to have sleep. And we're going to have exit. So these are the commands we have available to us. In fact, I'm going to not number them, actually. So then from here we're going to use our newly learned knowledge on getting console input, and we're going to string command is equal to console.readline, read line, like that. And from here we're going to have to figure out what exactly we want to do. So we're going to do some super basic string string comparisons here. So we're going to have an if statement. If command is equal to drink water, just like that. Then we're going to say console.writeLine, you drank some water, yum, and then console.readline. So we're going to do this a couple more times. We're going to use an else if command is equal to eat food, console.writeLine, you ate some toast, yuck, console.readline. Else if command is equal to sleep. I'm just going to copy and paste these for the sake of time. I'm just going to do and else if command is equal to exit, we will console.writeLine goodbye, and then console.readline. So like this. So pretty much this is the simplest string comparison you can do. It uses the double equals sign just like integers, and it does a precise, very, very precise actually. So if command is not equal to any of these, exact casing and everything, it will not work. And I'll go into how you can get trying to think of how to word it, how you can get not case sensitive string comparisons after we go over this. So we're gonna start the program now. So I think I'm feeling sleep, but as you can see, I didn't type it correct, so it didn't work. So we're going to do sleep, and it's zzz, like that. So because our command variable is equal to sleep, that was the command we wanted to do. So when we hit enter, it will exit. Okay, so alternatively, we could use our knowledge we learned last video on the .to upper and .to lower commands to make it a little easier to compare. So if we do, we'll do it like this. If command .to upper, like this, right, is equal to, now we'll have to put this in all caps because we are comparing uppercase now. Drink water, like that. So no matter what case we put it in, we could do all lowercase, all caps. We could do like one letter caps, the next letter lowercase. It's going to compare the command as if it were all uppercase instead. And that makes it a little bit easier to do our string comparisons. So now if I'll show you, for example, we'll type drink water all lowercase. You drank some water, yum. But there's another way you could do it. You could always do it all lowercase. or we can use the index of, which is a little more complex, but it's pretty much, this is what I like to call one of the few statements you'll actually want to copy and paste. So what I'm going to do is, this is something I don't happen to have memorized. I've got to open on another monitor an example of it. So if command.index of, and we'll put it all in lowercase, drink water, we'll have the starting index, which is 0, so it will start from the first character here. And then we'll have string comparison dot current culture ignore case. So this means it's not going to worry about cases, so we don't have to manipulate the command to be uppercase or lowercase or whatever. And we're going to have it is not equal to -1. So if it's equal to -1, it means that command is pretty much not equal to drink water. If it's not, then that's okay. Then that means they type drink water or something along those lines, and the command will execute as normal. I'm trying to explain this the best I can, and I'm sorry I'm not that great at it. So it works either way. I'm starting to prefer putting everything too upper or too lower, like that, and then comparing it like that. Eat food, like that. But this command works just as well. I use this in many programs, but I'm also starting to use this now. So you can do it whatever way you want. Just know that when you add to upper like this, it does not actually change this to uppercase, but it just manipulates this to be uppercase just for this comparison. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's anything you need clarifying, please let me know, because like I said, I'm not that great at explaining things, and I apologize for this, but yeah. Until next time, guys, I'll see ya.